Hi everyone, welcome to Sociology. I'm Susan Rahman. I am your teacher. I just want to walk you through the modules a little bit and kind of introduce you to the topic, and then we're going to have a good semester. So sociology, you're going to be asked a couple questions like, what do you think that is? So I kind of think I'll wait and hear what you have to say when you do your posts, but what do you think it is? Ask yourself that. I bet you know what psychology is, right? We kind of, in this culture, we know a lot about what psychology is, and we know less about what sociology is. But anyways, you're going to have a whole semester learning about it and thinking about it with me. So welcome to the class. I'm a sociologist, so clearly I like it. I will just tell you a little bit about myself. I went to college a long time ago, thinking I was a biology major, and took a biology class, and I was like, okay, sure, don't know, but okay. And then I stumbled into a sociology class, and it was like, oh, the lights opened up. I don't know, I don't know what metaphor to use, but it was life-changing for me. I found it to really be meaningful and important, and I could engage with the material in a way that was really profound. And, so this class is a GE class, so there's going to be many different people studying many different things in here. But whatever you do study, my wish is that you feel like that about how I feel about sociology. Did that make sense? Because you spend a lot of time doing whatever job it is you do, and ideally it should be something that brings you a good amount of joy. And sometimes pain, but, a lot of joy. Right? You got to work a lot. Might as well like it. Because I don't know about you, but before becoming a professor, I spent a lot of time doing jobs I didn't really like, and it wasn't that great. So here we are. We're in sociology. So this is the view that you're seeing when you go to the home. I like to go through modules for myself just because that's the way I look at the class. But you are also welcome to go through the clicking through like it does. I keep modules locked so that we are all doing the same thing at the same time. So as of this moment, this is what you can see, which is kind of a lot actually, considering that you haven't even really started the semester. I mean, technically we don't start till Tuesday, but since you're online, you have access sooner. So I want to just advise you of a couple things in this module, and then I'll let you go. As you know, online learning. What you don't know. I have a lot of dogs at my house, and they are not very good listeners. So when I tell them I need you to be quiet so I can send a video out, they don't always listen. So pardon that. So back to my point, a lot of people want to take online classes, right? They're really popular. So a lot of people want to get in this class, which means that there's a waiting list. And my duty is to clear the roles of people who don't post so that I can make space for those students if you were to decide not to do the part that you're responsible for, which is the weekly posts. So today is the 19th. You can see the meet and greet. I don't know if you're going to post yet. You're probably not going to post yet, but you have until Wednesday to do a post. Okay, so let's look at it. The opening forum is meet and greet. Oh, it's locked. You can't see it. Okay. Well, that's stinky of me. What a meanie I am. Oh, it's going to open. It'll be open by the time you wake up Monday morning. So, but it's a piece of cake. You don't need to read anything. You don't need to have done homework. All you need to do is say, well, first I'd love you to say what your name is. I don't know why I didn't. Hi, my name is Susan. I think sociology is la 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 la. I think it might help me because I'm going to work as a dental assistant and I have to talk to people a lot. And sometimes people who don't think the same as me just get on my nerves and I want to tell them to shut up. And maybe if I took this class, I'd learn how to be a little nicer. My goals are to be I don't know, an x-ray technician. And my favorite food is, I don't know, kale. Ha ha ha. Said nobody ever. So anyways, yeah, that's what you're going to need to be doing. So you're going to do these posts, and once these posts are done, you can let yourself go for the week. But every week we're going to do weekly posts, okay? So what does a weekly post look like? Normally, a weekly post will have questions, and then you'll answer them based on the content, right? So where does the content come from? The content is all in each of these modules, okay? So you're going to learn a little bit about sociology week by week. And what you're going to do that is look at the textbook and do all the activities in the modules. So there's going to be videos, there's going to be articles, there's just going to be different stuff. So every bit of information in each of these modules is testable material, okay? So you're going to need to know it all. So each chapter reading is broken down into little sections, if that's how you like to do it. You know, this textbook is called an OpenStax textbook, and the reason I chose it is because it's free. That's the main reason. Oh, access denied. Okay, so when you see something that says access denied and there's this little dude up here, just go there. Oh, okay. Never mind. I'm going to fix it for you. I'm going to fix it right now. OpenStax. OpenStax. I'll get it for you. I'll get it for you before you get in here. I don't know why that's not working today for some stupid reason, but of course it happens right when I'm talking to you, of course. So anyways, it's just as good as any other intro book, any other survey book, but again, I choose it because it's free, and I feel like the rest of the content that I provide complements it. So you're going to have all of that ready at your disposal when the semester starts. So I'll get it. I'll just get it in there right now. It's a piece of cake. So you're going to have to bear with me while I add a module. Okay. I'm going to add a link or an external URL. There it is. Book, textbook, and you've got it. Okay. So we're going to get rid of this one. Remove. Oh wait, I can't do that. Okay. Remove. Okay. Anyways, so there you have it. So the beginning modules are going to be about you kind of just learning the ropes. The sociology syllabus is also listed here, so you can access that. You can download it. You can make a copy of it. You can do whatever you want with it. The really important thing to say about the syllabus is it has everything. So it's there, and you can also get it there. And so you have access to everything that we're going to do all semester long, but as the modules progress, they stay closed. So what does that mean exactly? What that means is everything you need to know about assignments, what is due when, and all of that is available to you in the syllabus. So you can find out exactly what we're doing when we're doing it. But I'm not going to have the modules open because the modules go week by week, and as a group we go through them together. So in like 2 weeks when you ask me if I can open the module, I'm going to say to you, remember I said go look at the syllabus, it has everything, and it really does. Okay? And then the other, okay, so I got the textbook, I got the syllabus, discussion guidelines. Okay, so discussion guidelines. Because we don't meet in person, you are doing everything here. So that means you're having conversations, we're having classroom discussions, we're doing all of that. And that's a large portion of your grade, okay? So it's 150 points out of 400. So I'm a sociologist, not a mathematician, but you can do the math, right? That's a large percentage of your grade. Okay, so you need to make sure that you are posting. And what does it mean to do a reasonable post? You can just read this over and kind of get an idea. I don't have a word count. I don't ask you to, you know, say, I don't ask you to cite everything. If you're using an outside source, I'd appreciate where it came from, you know, because I mean, my grandma tells me stuff too, but she's not really a citable source, right? Um, so basically, every week, you're going to need to have an original post based on the question asked. So there's a question, right? Or a series of questions. Answer those questions and answer them based on the material. And then reply to 2 of your classmates, okay? And that reply has to be significant. It can't be, nice post, Jim, right? It has to have some sort of substance to it, okay? So if you have questions about that, feel free to send me an email. But for those of you that are Canvas savvy, you've probably done this, you know how it works. Just do that. And if you don't know what you're doing, just find me. So I'm really quick to respond to emails, and I'm on campus Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you're local and you want to come say hi, you know, I'm a sociologist, so I'd rather see you in person anyways, but I'm happy to email too if that is the preferred method for you. All right, so enjoy these last few days of not College in Marin, and pretty soon I will be seeing you on a regular basis, and I'll send you videos, and the work is kind of going to just unfold as we go. Thank you, and welcome to sociology.